Table saw.
I'm Alan. AC Noted. Talking about the best magazine on the shelf.
Popular Woodworking. I'm one of the editors. Woodworking.
Hi, I'm Brandy Aube. I'm from Louisiana. So awesome.
Oh, you put an aluminum DiResta tag on there.
So did you recess that by doing the...
Awesome.
Yeah, we did a straight. So we have Premiere Pro.
Okay.
But we're not quite there yet.
I try to keep my clips around 45 seconds to a minute long. So if I'm cutting a board or multiple cuts at a table saw, I'll film making 2, cutting 2, and then I'll kill the camera and make the rest of them off camera. And that way, whenever I'm editing my video, instead of having to watch a 5-7 minute clip and pick out what part I want, that's pretty much all the same.
Right.
I just have 30 seconds to go through and say, I'm gonna take out this section, you know?
And talk shop, and they know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, and it's like everybody's going through that same grind and that same struggle. Like we all work in our shops and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so the idea was, I'm known for vaulting parts on the channel, so I bought a piece of wood here and went ahead and taken people sign it, and it's actually exceeded my expectations. So couldn't be happier with it. Definitely going to hang it in the shop. Proud of this little thing. Thanks, man.